to be making a Barbie bathtub. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click that bell. Today our supplies is a pair of scissors, an empty laundry detergent, and a handsaw. My dad is going to be helping with the handsaw. Now let's get started. Now we got all this cut out. We're gonna rinse it out. Now I am going to put it in my dollhouse, so let's go. First I'm gonna put my foam sheet down. And then I'm gonna get my bathtub. Now we'll see if my Barbie Rachel will like it. Hi, I had a long day at work. I'm just gonna go cool down in my hot tub. I'm gonna take my heels off and my clothes off so I can get in this hot tub. Oh, I can't wait to get this hot tub. Let me just get in. Oh, this feels so good. I hope you guys enjoyed Crafty Tae. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me making Rachel's bathtub. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click that bell and look for other videos of furniture. Bye, Crafty Tae. See you next time.